Today we're making s'mores cookies. If all goes well, these chocolate chip cookies should explode a s'mores cookie. Does that make sense? But anyway, we're gonna make s'mores cookies. I'm gonna satisfy my craving and they're gonna be great. To make these s'mores cookies, we're gonna start with my favorite recipe of all time. I've made a video for it. It's my classic brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Only chocolate chip cookie you will ever need. I already have a video for it, so I won't get into too much detail. Browning butter.
Yes, I got Kerrygold because it's so good.
Add in our sugar. I'm telling you, this dough is so good. I'm gonna put this dough in the freezer while we prep the s'more filling. So good. Time for the fun part. It's cookie dough time. Ooh, this is cold. We're gonna surround each of these s'mores with cookie dough. We're gonna take a pretty good sized cookie dough ball, roll it, flatten it. So we're gonna make cookie discs. We're gonna make 2 of those. And we're gonna take one of our s'mores, put it right in the center, smush it down. You can take this other piece. You just wanna like kind of house the s'more. I just completely covered the s'more with cookie dough. And there you go. So let's do it for all of them. Here's a little tip, really squeeze it. Squeeze your s'mores together, and as you're squeezing, try to wrap it. Once you have the top down, you could really just try to get it in there. Really smush it in. Okay, my hands are really gross, but I made a lot of the cookie dough balls, and I know this is kind of annoying, but we need to put them in the freezer for at least 15 minutes, just so the s'mores can firm up a little bit. Okay, these are fresh out of the oven, the practice batch. These look insane. These might be the best cookies I've made. Oh my gosh. They're so good.